Hey, what's up? It's Alex here from iDESIGN, here to give you a couple ideas about what to do for your hour of code. Now, maybe you're sitting around, you have a bunch of devices, you have some robots, some Spheros, some little bits, anything like that. Or if you have none of these devices at all and still want to program. Now, the goal of this video is to show you some free, fun activities that you can try with any of these devices you may have, or if you have no devices at all, it's going to be some free, fun flash games and activities to try out. Nothing's too involved, too intense, too hard, and it's a lot of fun, different levels of activities you can try out. Now, the company we're working with is called Workbench Education, and I'll show you the link in just a second, but they're a Google company. Everything they do is free. All the activities, all the community-based projects are all going to be free to access, free to share, and it's a really great resource if you're just looking for something to do to get started with coding. So we're here today to check out Workbench Education. Now the link is right at the top, edu.workbencheducation.com, and they are a completely free company that offers just a ton of cool coding activities and stuff to check out. You can cycle through all their different projects. You can sort them by different grade levels, different coding levels, different aptitude levels, and you can also scroll all the way down and see all the different devices and partners that they work with. So if you have Parrot, if you have littlebits, if you have Makey, Microbit, Sphero, this is where you check out all the different programs and projects that you could work with. You can also check out community projects, things that people have been working on, things that people have added recently, things that they've been working on in their own classrooms. There's full comments. There's a really great blog section about everything. But if you wanted to work on your own programs, you just start a new project. So you go to My Projects and create one. So here's just some programs I've been working on just so we can get started. Now the first one is just a basic Sphero program I have. Now Workbench is really great. It's a very similar coding style to what everyone's familiar with. It's the Blockly modular style. It works really well with Scratch, with any other kind of block style coding that you're used to. So this program is obviously set to run with the Sphero, but if you look under new devices, here's where you pick whatever you're trying to work with. So you can be littlebits, you can be mini drones, you can be Sparks, you can be anything. And let's just see what this program looks like. So it's going to start out by turning the color to red. It's going to drive around a little bit, turn, drive a little bit, turn, drive a little bit, and then go to set to green when it's done. And now I want to show what another similar program looks like, but this time we're going to apply it to a Parrot mini drone. As you can see, the coding style and language is very similar. The commands are just slightly different because it's a mini drone and has slightly different capabilities. The mini drone is also capable of flips, which we're going to check out now. There's also some really fun community games like Whack-A-Mole for Sphero, other dash and dot programming opportunities, things with Microbit, Sam Labs, and a whole slew of other different technologies. So I hope maybe you got a little bit of ideas for making programming fun, and best of luck to everybody on your hour of code. Thanks for watching.